I wanted to learn more about Aptean. I wanted to learn more about the solutions. I wanted to learn more about the people that had the customers. And the experience was great because the networking was very good. I was able to know some other users from different countries and from different companies and from different industries. I was able to meet a lot of people in Aptean company. I was able to get very good contacts, and I was able to get to know your other products and the roadmap that you have for the solution. So this now is giving me a lot of insights to define what am I going to do in the next years. So as I mentioned also, I'm building already a roadmap of our IT solutions for the company for the next 3 years, and for sure some important bullet points are going to come from this event and from the things that I saw already, and I'm already like reaching out to some specific people here about EDI, about BI, about CRM. There are some things that we are interested on. So this helped me just to get closer to the people that I needed to get closer to, so that I could start understanding how the things connect and what things can we do with what we have. So I think it was great, or at least it fulfilled all my expectations. Just the fact that we're here, or that I'm here talking to you, and that you're like taking this feedback also to do your things better, I think we appreciate it. I have been in a lot of conferences, a lot of events, but I think in this one, or at least what I have felt, is that you're close to us. And I think that's good, because I think that you really value the feedback, you try to be close to your customers, you try to hear from them, you really try to incorporate the things that your customers just tell you in the feedbacks, and trying to make your tools better and to improve every day. So I would say the only thing that maybe I would like to say from this Unite event and for having us here is thanks.